Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about simplification of a force and couple system. So a system of forces and couple moments acting on a body can be replaced with a single resultant force and a resultant couple moment acting on a specific point. So for our system, let's say we have multiple forces acting at different location, F1, F2, F3, and let's say we have different moments as well. Some of them clockwise, some of them counterclockwise. Sometimes we want to simplify that into a simpler model with only one force and one moment. Instead of carrying all those forces, we want to find a simpler system. But the two systems has to be equivalent. Otherwise, we cannot replace them together. So that force should represent all these forces, and this moment should represent all the moments. The force should be very simple. If we find the summation of all forces, then we have found a resultant force. And instead of carrying all those forces, we just carry the resultant force. For the moment, it's the same, but we need to find a moment about a specific point. Summation of moment about, let's say, point O. And then we do the same thing here. That would give us the resultant moment. And this approach is used in engineering very often. Instead of carrying all the forces and moments, we will find the equivalent force and moment. So you need to pay attention that for force, it really doesn't matter whether we are going to find a force about point O or about any other points, because for force, there is no moment R. But for a moment, it makes a difference about which point are we finding the equivalent moment. So the problem statement will tell us find the resultant moment or simplify the system of forces and moment with a force and a moment about point O, about point A, about point B.